Alibaba just open-sourced Open Code Review. The AI Code Review, CLI, that has been their internal review assistant for 2 years, served tens of thousands of developers, and identified millions of code defects at Alibaba scale. Hybrid architecture, deterministic pipelines for the parts that need to be reliable, LLM agent for the parts that need to be flexible, fine-tuned ruleset for null pointer exceptions, thread safety, XSS, and SQL injection. Hooks into Claude Code, GitHub Actions, and GitLab CI. V1.2.0 shipped today. Apache 2.0, 3.1 thousand stars already. Let's walk through it. Pull up the docs at alibaba.github.io/opencodereview. README opens with the credentials. Open Code Review is an AI-powered code review CLI tool originated as Alibaba Group's internal official AI code review assistant. Over the past 2 years, it served tens of thousands of developers and identified millions of code defects. That is the rare case where the open-source release is not a demo or a side project. It is the literal production tool a major engineering org has been running internally. The hybrid architecture description is the pitch. Deterministic pipelines plus an LLM agent, precise line-level comments, built-in fine-tuned ruleset, OpenAI and Anthropic compatible, Alibaba Group. The 2 years internal then open-source pattern is the credibility story. This is not someone's weekend project. It is what tens of thousands of Alibaba engineers have been using on real production code. 3.1 thousand GitHub stars in the days since release, 139 forks, active triage on the issue tracker. Codebase is 70% Go for the CLI hot paths, plus the deterministic pipelines, 17% TypeScript for the agent layer and the web UI. Apache 2.0, no Enterprise Edition gated behind a paywall. The same tool Alibaba runs internally is the one in the repo. The hybrid architecture is the design choice worth understanding. Most AI code review tools are one shape, either pure deterministic linting that misses anything outside the rules, or pure LLM as reviewer, which is great at judgment calls but inconsistent on the boring parts. Open Code Review splits them. The deterministic pipeline handles the parts that need to be reliable, which files to look at, how to bundle them for the model, how to position line-level findings exactly where they belong in the source. The LLM agent handles the parts that need to be flexible, context retrieval across the codebase, scenario-tuned reviews, the actual judgment about whether a piece of code is actually wrong or just unfamiliar. 2 layers, different guarantees, both required. The fine-tuned rule set is the other half of the value. NPE detection, null pointer exceptions, the most common single bug class in Java and Go. Thread safety analysis, race conditions, missing locks, shared state mutations outside synchronized blocks. XSS detection, unescaped output paths in web frontends. SQL injection, parameterized queries versus string concatenation. Plus a long tail of rules tuned against Alibaba's internal incident data. 10+ languages covered: Java, TypeScript, Go, Python, Kotlin, C++, C, with the rules adapted per language to the idioms that actually produce bugs there. The rules are not a generic list copy-pasted from a security checklist. They are filtered through 2 years of millions of defects training data. Install is one npm command. npm install-g at Alibaba Group/OpenCodeReview. Set OCR model to the provider and model you want. Anthropic/Claude Opus 4.8 for Claude, or any OpenAI compatible string. Set OCR API key to your provider key, then OCR review against a Git range, and the tool runs against the diff. The output is line-level findings. Each comment landing on the exact line in the exact file it is about, with the rule name and the suggested fix. The deterministic positioning is what makes the findings precise. Naive AI reviewers hallucinate line numbers. Open Code Review does not because the positioning is engineered separately from the model. Integration story is the smart bit. GitHub Actions. Integration. Drop the action into your workflow. Get line-level review comments on every pull request. Same shape on GitLab CI. Claude Code plugin integration. Install the plugin and the /review command runs Open Code Review inside your existing Claude Code session, with the findings landing as inline comments you can act on or dismiss. The CLI is also scriptable directly, so anything CI-based or local Git hook-based works. Bring your own model, OpenAI compatible, Anthropic compatible, so the Open Router route and your local light LLM route both work too. There's also a local web UI. OCR UI starts a server you open in the browser, Browse every past review session. Filter by repo, by severity, by rule, by model. Useful for going back to a specific finding weeks later when you cannot remember which PR it landed on, or for analyzing which rules are producing the most signal on your codebase versus which are mostly noise. The UI is the same TypeScript codebase the agent uses, so installing the CLI gives you the UI for free. There is no separate dashboard service to deploy. Over on GitHub, the repo lives at github.com/alibaba/opencodereview. 3.1 thousand stars in the days since open sourcing. Go is 70% of the codebase, TypeScript 17%, with the rest being CSS, JavaScript, Shell, HTML, and Makefile. The Go share runs the CLI hot paths and the deterministic pipelines, file selection, line positioning, batch orchestration. The TypeScript share runs the agent layer and the web UI. Releases tab shows v1.2.0 cut today with multi-platform binaries. macOS, Apple, Silicon, and Intel, Linux x86 x64, and ARM64, Windows x86 x64, and ARM64. The cross-platform binary story matters because enterprise CI rarely runs on a single architecture. Open Code Review is an AI-powered code review CLI tool. It originated as Alibaba Group's internal official AI code review assistant. Over the past 2 years, it has served tens of thousands of developers and identified millions of code defects. Open Code Review. README. The 2 years and millions of defects framing is the credibility line. Most open-source AI code review tools are someone's weekend project plus a fine-tuning pass. This is a production tool that ran inside one of the biggest engineering organizations in the world for 2 years, then got Apache licensed. The architecture choice, deterministic plus agent, not one or the other, is also the part that other teams should copy. npm install-g at Alibaba Group/Open Code Review. Set OCR model to your preferred provider and model. Anthropic, Claude, OpenAI, anything OpenAI compatible. Set the API key, then OCR review against a Git range, and you get line-level findings in seconds. Drop the GitHub Actions integration into your workflow for pull request line comments on every PR your team opens. Install the Claude Code plugin for the /review command inside your existing session. No separate tool to context switch into. Apache 2.0, v1.2.0 shipped today. 3.1 thousand GIT hub stars and climbing fast. Battle tested at Alibaba scale, now Apache licensed for the rest of us, which is the kind of open source release that actually changes the floor on what teams can ship. URLs are below. Subscribe at Prism Labs for more AI tooling and developer workflow deep dives.